What's up, guys? Right now, me and Lars are outside of an abandoned truck stop. We stayed here last night. It was pretty comfortable, pretty chill. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here because it's about to be 2024. So I wanted to come on here and tell you guys how much I appreciate you. Thank you to everyone who has hit subscribe, like, who's left the comment. I appreciate you guys so much. Words cannot even express. With another year coming in, I am so excited about what's to come, but I also wanted to take the time to reflect on the year that we've had thus far. So I put together a little compilation of our journey thus far. So hopefully you guys enjoy that, and I will see you guys in 2024. Peace out, astronauts. Yo, I got a van. This is my van. I'm not looking at the camp. Okay, this is my van. It's a 1999 Chevy Astro, which is the van that I wanted. If you can deal with me being sweaty.
Hey, are you going to see?
You should subscribe because this is gonna be a big project. Ooh, I don't like that. There's like a little hut right there. I don't like that at all. I don't do that. I don't do that kind of stuff. Y'all see that little hut right there? Ooh. You know what? On second thought, because it feels pretty treacherous right here, I'm gonna go ahead and then the hut, y'all see that hut? I don't do that. This ain't Blair Witch, this ain't Scooby-Doo. I'm not doing that. All right, I think we found a spot. There was a campfire here, so I think it's free, fair use. So this is a free spot that I guess we're gonna stay at tonight. My favorite YouTube van lifer, Janelle Eliana. She wakes up in the morning and she just looks fantastic. I wake up in the morning and I look like a gremlin. But hey, we got through the first night, so. One thing about me, one thing that I have to admit is that I am definitely afraid of mountain lions. It's like, oh, spider web. Oh my. Nope. Nope. I don't know where the spider went. It was huge. It was like black and yellow. It was like a Wiz Khalifa spider. Yep. Well, that's enough trail walking for me today. How are you guys doing today? I just want to say thank you guys so very much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. That is insane. All right, guys. So this feels kind of crazy. So I just left, and I am now doing van life full time. This feels kind of wild. Around now. So how are you trying to stab it? You're trying to stab it with the... See, there's a point right there. There you go.
Do you remember what you said about the baby long ago? Said it always I know I'm not that tall. I know I'm not that smart, but let me drive my van into your heart. Let me drive my van into your heart. I know I'm not that rich, I'm trying to get my start, but let me drive my van into your heart. Let me drive my van into your heart. Okay. I can't see. Sometimes it's gonna get rainy. Sometimes the storm's gonna come. Enjoy the rain because you need it for growth. Never forget that. A bird just crapped on my head. Okay, I gotta go clean this up. I don't want to say I hate birds because I don't, but I hate that bird specifically. Whichever bird just did that, I hate that bird, and I hope he has a bad day. We're on our way to California, baby. There's no stopping us now. I met up with my friend T from a few days ago, and Adam. We're doing art.
We're doing art on the beach.
It's Alyssa Vanilla. To van life. And the 4th, happy birthday, Jesus. Insane.
Isn't that cool? He's like one of the safest snakes.
God, I hate doing this.
Just gonna get out of bed.
This is scary. I don't know.
It scares me too.
So scary.
I'm gonna do it behind you.
This part's easy because. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad.
We did it. Terrifying.
Absolutely terrifying.
Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Flowers.
Cheers to being in Washington.
Being in fucking Washington.
Yeah, cheers.
Delicious. Hell yes.
Delicious. I'm so sorry, buddy. Oh, I feel so bad. Oh, see, he's okay.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hey, Madeline.
I was thinking of like those 80s things that when they're like Full House.
Where they're like,
yeah, exactly.
wait, do it again and do one of those. Okay. I'll do the background music, all right?
I have to be doing something.
Yeah. I'll start the music and then you just naturally look out whenever you feel like it. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a light. Yo, that was great. That was honestly really great. What I do is just palm it and like twist and pull and it'll pop out.
I go like this.
Oh, word?
But
So you
just yeah.
So palm it?
Oh, I'm scared. Like this?
No, I palm it.
I don't know what that means. Oh.
And then,
that
yeah.
makes a less satisfying noise.
But it, oh.
Celebration! Celebration!
That was,
Wait,
what was that? Yeah, what was that sound? That was brilliant.
It like a little
Hey.
Look, for your first time, that was
Good job.
Hey, Kylie Keys, I'm so nervous right now.
Oh, it's Julia.
She's a king, yeah. He's like posing.
He's so fancy.
Oh my god, he's like posing for you.
He is, he's so cute.
He's like, why are you guys interrupting my sleep?
It's a centipede, naked in the bedroom, and you swear, God, the buggers
That's beautiful.
out to get you.
Look at this.
And I digress. 'Cause I must make you a perfect morning.
Oh, man.
I try my best.
This is incredible.
To scoop the slugger out the window. And there's a praying mantis prancing on your bathtub, and you swear it's a priest from a past
Yep, that is
life out
done.
to get you. And I digress. 'Cause I must make you a perfect evening. I try my best.
Oh no. You guys all right? You guys good? That was first shot.
Rise and shine. Another day of
Little.
Look at that.
You got one.
I got one. Wait. I got my first crab.
Right on.
It's overdue. All the things I told you. Rise and shine.
There's two patties in there.
Yeah.
No, I did that.
Rise and shine.
That's me.
Is this because I climbed a 5 times 8?
Ooh. Oat milk, coffee cake flavor.
I feel like I could run a marathon right now. That
That's not the reaction I thought I was gonna.
I can have nothing. Just like keep picking.
That's the idea, buddy. That's the idea, pal.
Wait.
I am the I am the I, my wings are expanding, I'm conquering flight. No foreign appendages, this is the legend and thing to write. See a new sight, reaching new heights, moonwalking like Mike.